So let's talk about a blue aura and what that means. If you're doing the math, there's only 3% of the population who have a blue aura. And these are the people who are the natural born leaders. That doesn't mean others can't lead. Everyone has the ability to influence others. But someone with a blue aura, this is where you are meant to really lean in and shine your light. This is your superpower. Now, rather than leading with a passion for a fight, for righting wrongs, or being led by your heart, what you will want to do is lead with your conviction. This is how leaders, people with a blue aura, are meant to interact with others. So I want to invite you to really embrace your knowing and sharing what you know with others, and your conviction will compel and influence others to join you. Now, I've talked about leadership a lot, and I realize that many people don't see themselves as leaders, but if you're watching this, I know you are meant to lead in some capacity. It doesn't have to involve a title or something you do at work, but somewhere you are meant to lead. And there's just going to be a difference in the style of how you interact with others based on your aura color. That's going to mean this is how you'll be most effective. So you really want to pay attention to this and practice. Think about it and what it means for how you're showing up with anyone in your life. Thanks for tuning in today, and be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay in the loop on new trainings as they come out. And let us know in comments if you're a red, a yellow, or a blue.